Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove your background in CapCut PC. So if you have a video and you want to remove the background of your video, CapCut can help you in this way because CapCut is really easy and you can do a lot of these things in CapCut. So first of all, you just have to open the CapCut application on your PC and then you want to import the video that you want to remove the background of. So in my case, I just drag this video in my timeline. So let's say this is the video I want to remove the background of. You can see this is the video and there is no green screen in it. There are two ways to remove the background. If you are using the green screen, it will be much easy than without green screen. So now this is the video and there is no green screen and I want to remove the background of this video. What I have to do is I just have to tap on this video. I just have to select this video and now if you go this cutout option, you can see this cutout option in the right window. Tap on this cutout option and now you can see there are two options, chroma key and auto cutout. So if we are using green screen, we will go for this chroma key and we have to pick the color like green color from our video and our green screen will be removed. But for now we don't have the green screen, we just want to remove this background. So what we have to do is we just have to tap on this auto cutout and you can see this processing. This is processing and now our background has been removed. You can see this if we play our video and you can see our background of the video has been removed and how perfect is it. So that's really easy to remove the background in CapCut videos. So you just have to import the video, go to the video section under cutout, you just have to check this auto cutout, you have to wait a little bit and your background is removed. So I hope this video was helpful. So don't forget to check our recommended resources links below in the description. If you like the video, please smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.